Good morning. What a spectacular sunrise this morning. Happy Vlogmas, everyone. The other day I showed you guys how to split firewood using a log splitter. Today we're going old school and I'll show you how to split it using a splitting maul. If you're not familiar with a splitting maul, it has a wider head, more of a wedge than an axe. An axe is going to be a lot slimmer through here. This helps that wood split. Some things to keep in mind here is the ABCs matter here as well. Always be comfortable. You'll probably want to stand kind of your feet shoulder width apart. You'll want to keep your knees bent a little bit. You'll have your hands far apart on the axe when you start, and as you swing, let your hands slide down until they're together. When you get tired, stop. You'll know you're tired. You'll either hit the wood and bounce, you'll miss your target completely. That means you're tired. Stop so you don't have an injury. If you're going to do this on a more long-term basis or on a regular basis, I highly recommend getting the tire. The tire helps secure everything in place and keep you on track. It helps keep things a lot more stable and safe. All right, let's get started. When you're splitting your wood, look for things like you can see the branches coming in here. And because those branches are coming in, it's going to be harder to split. This has it on both sides, but it's a little better on this side, so I'll smack it here. I'm gonna look where I wanna hit. It's been 2 years since I've done this. Let's see if I still got it. All right, I'm gonna probably go here. I might wanna take a step back. Still got it. And that would be a glancing blow. I just got started. I'm going to continue on. Keeping your area clear is probably also another good tip. My hands don't always come completely together. I've noticed they kind of stop around here. That's totally okay. It's just kind of the basic idea to get your form figured out. Ooh, I slipped. That can be very dangerous. Keep your area clear. I'm starting to hit in the same spot. Even in spite of slipping, that time I didn't. Okay, this is fun. I'm gonna keep going. You can see I'm starting to get more consistent in my stripes. Now stacked like this would have taken us probably a couple days to process. It is one tree, or if I just took frequent breaks, maybe a day. So I need to take a step in a different direction. So I think I need to go this way. Adjust. If you find you're missing in the beginning, figure out where you're missing from and adjust your stance. Honestly, I recommend everyone try this at least once in your life. You feel very powerful when you split your first log. I'm not gonna lie, it's a nice feeling. Sometimes you can use the log to do the splitting for you. Because my branches are going this way, I'm gonna try and hit it this way as well. I'm gonna aim for like one side or the other, because a lot of times that will help it split down that line. think the bark might be holding it together. That made it a lot easier, didn't it? If you get stuck in a log, just rock it back and forth. See what I mean about getting tired? Yeah, that is fatigue. I'll do one more, I'll just get this one split. And I'll call it a day. It has been a couple years. There we go. Got myself a little wood pile there. So there you have it, gang. Splitting your firewood with a splitting maul. It is a lot of fun. I highly recommend everybody try it. So get out there and try something new. I hope you found this video fun and informative, and I hope that you have an amazing holiday season.